Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Kelvia Del Kalisa, and in this video, I will present my classroom observation analysis based on 8 basic teaching skills, and the observation was conducted in class 9 MP2 at SMK Jakarta Timur 2 with Miss Anis as a teacher. And the session focused on reviewing students' assignment before the midterm test. And in this video, I will show some classroom clips and explain how each teaching skill was applied. Okay, first of all, I'm so sorry because for the opening skills, there is no video recording available because the little bit problem. And based on my observation, the teacher started class by greeting the students and asking how they were, and this helped create a positive classroom atmosphere. However, the opening was quite short and did not clearly explain the lesson objective. And to show a clearer example, here is how the opening could be done. Hello, good morning class. How are you today? Okay, are you ready for the lesson? Alright, before we start, this is our last session and before the midterm test. So today we're going to review your assignment and check your understanding. Okay, in these clips, the teacher gave responses like good, well done, and giving applause. And this helped encourage students and made them more confident to participate. Overall, this was effective, although the responses were quite repetitive.
Yang punya, yang bisa raise hands-nya, raise your hand. Antibiotics equal sama drugs atau device. Syringes apa? Syringes apa? How do you know ya? Kalau itu device. Tahu dari mana?
Okay, in this video, the teacher asked questions to check students' understanding, especially vocabulary, and the questions were clear, and the teacher sometimes asked students to explain their answer. And this helps students think more about their responses, and overall, the questioning skills was already effective.
Pokoknya benar, tambah 5 bagi 2. Oke?
Okay, in this video, the teacher explained how to calculate student scores based on the correction. And the explanation was clear and directly related to the activity. Since this was the last session before the midterm test, so the focus was on reviewing and no further explanation of new material was needed. Okay, in this video for variation skill, there is no clear variation was observed during the lesson, and the activity was mostly focused on teacher-student interaction during the review session. And maybe to make the lesson more engaging, it can be done like this. Okay, student, now please discuss with your partner. For classroom management, in this clip, the teacher controlled the class using instruction like quiet, silent, and this helps students focus again. However, the class sometimes became noisy again after that. And for me, maybe for more consistent instruction can be like this. Everyone, please focus. Let's continue. Okay, for guiding small group discussion, this skill was not observed because the session focused on reviewing assignment and not group discussion activities. Okay, for teaching small group and individual, this skill was observed, but only in a limited way because the teacher mainly focused on the whole class during the review session. Okay, in conclusion, the teacher showed several skills, especially reinforcement, questioning, and classroom management. The lesson worked well as a review session before the midterm test. I think that's all from me. Thank you.